Hello, I am Dr. Sujit Kumar Vidyala, a senior consultant neurosurgeon at Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, that is KIMS Hospital, Secunderabad, Hyderabad. Let's know something about the headache. Headache is one of the commonest symptoms bothering us in day-to-day life. So what is this headache? Headache, any pain arising from the region of the head, back of the head, the forehead, part of neck, all this can be considered headache. So, what are the causes of headache? Headache has number of causes, starting from simple tiredness, exhaustion, stress, strain, fever, eye problem like refractory error, sinus problem which can be seen as a sneezing and nose block, etc. Headache can be periodic, coming for number of years, periodically associated with stress, which is called vascular headache. It has many types, which includes migraine, cluster headache, etc. There can be serious causes of headache, including a stroke, that is sudden bleeding in the brain due to various reasons, a tumor in the brain, which is again a serious condition, an infection in the brain, a pus collection in the brain, or an infection like longer duration infection like tuberculosis, or due to many factors including problems due to birth defects, which can manifest as hydrocephalus, that is blockage of the fluid flow in the brain. And there can be many other causes. The tumors involving the adjacent part of the head or the brain, which includes paranasal sinuses, can also invade the brain and cause headache. Now, what sort of headache is considered serious? A common headache which is relieved with rest, relaxation, or a simple painkiller is okay. We don't have to worry much about it. But if the headache is increasing in severity, or if the headache is coming repeatedly and not relieved with rest, relaxation, proper diet, exercise, then we need to consult a doctor. Or even if the headache is associated with other symptoms like blurring of vision, difficulty in speaking, difficulty in hearing, or if there is associated fits or seizures, or the patient suddenly becomes unconscious, or there can be associated symptoms, headache is worsening with other symptoms like loss of memory, abnormal behavior, weakness of limbs, one side limbs called paralysis, or difficulty in walking, difficulty in speaking, swallowing. So when headache is associated with these serious conditions, especially unconsciousness and so many others which I mentioned, it means that the patient needs immediate medical attention. Now, headache, when all of us do not want to go to a doctor immediately. Usually we try home remedies like taking rest, simple painkiller, relaxation, etc. So it is always better not to resort to self-medication, self-diagnosis and self-treatment. We need to take expert opinion so that any problem, if it is there, can be diagnosed correctly and early, and further damage can be avoided, and treatment and recovery will be faster. So what are the things we need to do to manage this headache? So once we have a headache which is severe, repeatedly coming, or it has other problems, then we go to a doctor and try to get our eyes checked on the advice of the doctor. Or if you go to a neurologist or a neurosurgeon, they examine you, they check you, and come to a certain understanding and conclusion. Based on that, they can subject you to different tests depending on the specific condition of the patient, which can include CT scan of the brain, MRI, angiography of the brain, and if the MRI of the brain also has many subtypes like tractography, functional MRI, etc., epilepsy protocol, etc., etc. Not only these, in indicated cases, we also subject the patient to PET CT, SPECT, or simple X-ray. So all these things are not prescribed to everybody, but only to those who the doctor or the expert feels are really necessary. Headache is, I think, quite preventable to a certain extent, because if we try to have some rest in between this hectic life, have some relaxation, having realistic goals in life, and having as least as possible the gap between our perception and the reality. That means if we try to be more realistic, more practical, I think there can be lesser stress and better quality of life. Thank you.